What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I'm in the building. Best Buy reviews, that's right, for the Galaxy S25 Edge. And it's slim and trim, that's right, beyond slim. Look at this sucker. Got to be the thinnest phone that Samsung has ever released. At least one of them. Look at this, 5.8 millimeters. I mean, it is, what? This thing is like holding a piece of paper, man. And look at it compared to the S25 Plus. Look at that. I mean, it is just super thin as you can be. Look at this thing. It's got a big old screen, 6.7-inch screen, 200 megapixel camera on the back. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if I like the super thin feel of this thing. Now, if you want to compare it to the S25 Ultra, which is a big boy, I mean, look at that. That is a thick, THICC for sure. I mean, when it's thick, you know? But this sucker is super thin, man. I mean, I think this is, well, I think the Z Fold 6, when it's open, might be thinner than this, but this is definitely one of the thin boys on the block for now. This is definitely super thin, but looking at $1,100 phone, you get that or S25 Plus, or you bump it up and get the big boy. Now this thing feels so thick now compared to this. That's wild. But yeah, we'll drop down in the link. You guys can pre-order, save some money if you use my link down below for the S25 Edge. But definitely check it out.